Hello, I'm Tino Peña, this year's annual meeting committee chair. These times call for a new dimension and new approaches to interventional radiology. And this year's annual meeting committee is thrilled to offer you a new IR platform. There will be something for everyone at this year's annual meeting. We hope to involve, inform, and inspire you.
My name is Nadine Abi-Jaoudeh, and I'm the workshop chair for FSIR 2021. I wanted to talk to you about some of the reasons why you should really attend this meeting. Aside from the scientific powerhouse you've come to expect from FSIR, there's great talks about diversity, wellness, mentorship, and value of IR. There's also med talks and beyond the catheter talks to help you expand your practice. It's all programming by IR for IR.
So register today for this year's SIR meeting and show your commitment to interventional radiology. And let everyone know that you'll be there. I'll see you then.